My country, India,
and one of the oldest civilizations in the world. It is a vast and beautiful nation located in South Asia. India is known for its rich history, diverse culture, colorful festivals, and warm hospitality. It is the 7th largest country in the world by land area and the most populous country, with over 1.4 billion people. The capital city of India is New Delhi. India is often called the land of diversity because people of different religions, languages, cultures, and traditions live together in harmony. There are 28 states and 8 union territories, each with its own unique customs, food, clothing, music, and festivals. Hindi and English are the official languages of the central government, while many other regional languages such as Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, and Gujarati are widely spoken across the country. India has a glorious history that stretches back thousands of years. It is the birthplace of great religions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. The country is home to many famous historical monuments, including the Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, India Gate, and ancient temples and forts. These landmarks attract millions of tourists from around the world every year. The natural beauty of India is breathtaking. The mighty Himalayas stand in the north, while the Indian Ocean lies to the south. India also has fertile plains, dense forests, deserts, rivers, waterfalls, and beautiful beaches. The country is rich in wildlife, with famous national parks that protect animals such as Bengal tigers, Asiatic lions, elephants, rhinoceroses, and peacocks, which is the national bird. Agriculture is an important part of India's economy. Farmers grow crops such as rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, and spices. India is also one of the world's leading producers of milk, fruits, and vegetables. Besides agriculture, industries such as information technology, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, textiles, tourism, and space research contribute greatly to the country's economic growth. Education and science have played an important role in India's development. Indian scientists, engineers, doctors, and researchers have earned worldwide recognition. The country has made remarkable achievements in space exploration through the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, which has successfully launched satellites and missions to the Moon and Mars. India celebrates many festivals including Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi, and Navratri. These festivals reflect the country's unity and diversity and bring people together with joy, respect, and love. Indian music, dance, art, literature, and cuisine are admired across the globe. Although India faces challenges such as poverty, pollution, and population growth, its people continue to work hard to build a stronger and more prosperous nation. The values of democracy, unity, equality, and respect for all religions make India a unique and vibrant country. I am proud to be an Indian. My country teaches us to respect every culture, help one another, and work for the progress of our nation. With its rich heritage, hardworking people, and bright future, India continues to inspire the world. I love my country and hope to contribute to its growth and success.